Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. Introduction. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It can make or break your energy level, mood, and productivity levels. A healthy breakfast can help you lose weight by keeping blood sugar levels stable throughout the day, and it can also give you the energy to get through your morning routine. Here are some ideas for making a healthy breakfast that will keep you energized all morning long. Make your own granola, oatmeal, or yogurt. Granola is a healthy breakfast, easy to make, and it has all the nutrients you need. You can make granola in your own kitchen using fresh ingredients. If you love to bake, then this recipe will be perfect for you. It's also an excellent snack for kids too. Granola is made from oats, nuts, and dried fruits like raisins or cranberries, which provide good amounts of fiber and protein. It also contains vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, B1, vitamin E, tocopherols, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, etc. Make a fruit and nut smoothie. Blend fruit, nuts, and yogurt. Add protein powder if you want more protein. Get creative with your eggs. Make some different food item to have in breakfast. Eat a banana for breakfast instead of candy bars or other treats. One of the best ways to get in a serving of fruit is by eating bananas. Bananas are loaded with potassium, fiber, and vitamins. They also contain minerals such as magnesium and calcium, which can help you lose weight. Bananas contain antioxidants too. Breakfast is an opportunity to start off the day healthy. Breakfast is a good way to start the day off right. It's important to eat breakfast, even if you don't want to eat breakfast. If you don't have time for a full meal in the morning, try making something high protein, like oatmeal, and adding fruit or nuts instead of yogurt or cereal. You can also add some protein powder into your oatmeal if desired. Conclusion. We hope you have enjoyed reading about some of our favorite breakfast ideas, and that we have inspired you to try a few new ones. Remember that the most important thing is to just try something new. If nothing else, your body will thank you later on in the day when all those calories are burned off during exercise or other activities.
Hit the like button and click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.